Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about probability. So now I want to show you how to answer. Suppose that we have 100 watts, but we can find 5 times to get successful in 100 watts. That means in 100 watts, there are 5 watts are successful to 5. That means in this situation, the percentage to successful that is about 5 over 100, or maybe we put about 5%. So question A, we need to find the probability that the watts is not found in the first 5 trials. So that means unsuccessful in this one, that is about 95%. That is about 1 minus 5%. You got 95%. But in the first 5 trial, so that means the probability in here, that is about 0.95 to the power of number 5. So we calculate this one and we got 0.774, and that is the answer for question 8. Question B, determine the probability that the word is found twice in the first 10 trials. So in this one we can use about binomial. So that should be about, because we can find 2 out of 10. That means we have combination 10 out of number 2. We know that we have 5% to successful. That is about 0.05 to the power of number 2. Multiplied by unsuccessful, we have 8 unsuccessful in here. That is about 0.95 to the power of 8. So we calculate this one and we have 0.075, and that is the answer for question number 2. The last one, we want to find how many trials to make sure that at least 95%. So that means we have 1, that is about 100% minus 0.5 to the power of n is greater than or equals to 0.5. So and that is about the number of trials in here. So we need to find the value of n. So I will put number 1 cone here. And this one we have negative 0.05. Later that we simplify negative for the both sides, and we got like this. So we change this one, go in this way, and then I will put about natural log for the both sides. So this one we have the formula. So and they will go in here. So we divide this one. And we have 58.4. So that means we need to at least 59 trial because we need to cover about this one too. So that's why we need to at least 59. This is the end. Thank you for watching.